Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. E to the power of s, e to the power of 2s. We can do about factorization in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about e to the power of s ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Next, we need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. This one we have negative number 4. So u plus 1 divided by u plus 1, you got about number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of this one, we have for ln of the absolute value of u plus 1, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.